Alright, for today's assignment, you have to find 5 different bridges on Google Earth. You have to pin them, and you have to add your paragraph and a snip of picture. So I'm going to walk through one of them for your Flex Day assignment. So let's say that in Google Earth, the first bridge that I decide to do is the Golden Gate Bridge. So up here in the search, I'm going to type Golden Gate Bridge. It goes to San Francisco, and then I hit search. It's going to take a minute to zoom into there. And you can tell I've already done this before I have that pin here. But when you get to the Golden Gate Bridge, you can use your navigation tools over here to kind of change your view of the bridge. You could even take a little person and drop it on the bridge, and then you'll get like the view as if you were standing on the bridge looking. Okay? So I don't care which one you choose to use, but get a picture of the Golden Gate Bridge. Then you're going to come up here to the top where there's this yellow tack. You're going to hit the tack. The tack is a place mark. It'll pop up with this box, and you're going to name it whatever bridge you happen to be at, so like Golden Gate Bridge. This description box down here is where you type your paragraph. And this is the paragraph that you should have researched in the previous class period. It should be 3 to 5 sentences. It should include the date the bridge was built, the location, the type of bridge, some other interesting fact. Okay. Then, also part of your last assignment was to find a local image of the bridge. So most of you had gone on to, say, Bing.com, since you were probably blocked from Google. You typed in the name of your bridge, and you took a snip of it and saved it. So there's my snip. I'm going to save it to my desktop. So if you didn't do this yet, so there's my snip. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to hit Add Local Image. It's a local image because it's on my desktop. So there's the picture I snipped. I hit OK. It shows up as a hyperlink. I hit OK. That's going to show up in my bridge list over here under Places. If you close your Properties box before you get your paragraph in, you can right-click on your pin over here and go to Properties, and it will open that back up for you. Once you're done with pinning your 5 bridges, they'll all show up in this list somewhere. So I've got Golden Gate Bridge, Ponte di Vecchio, Charles Bridge. You're now going to create a tour, a narrated tour of your 5 bridges. So up here, you're going to hit the video camera. That pops up a record button down here. You're going to hit the record button, and this timer will start counting up. Now last time I did that, it deleted all the audio from this video, so I'm not going to hit my record button. But you hit record, it'll start counting up. You'll double click on your first bridge. It takes you to that location, you read what's in your box, it will show your picture here. You go, you click on your next picture. Mine's going to go all the way over to Italy. While it's zooming, there's my Ponte di Vecchio Bridge. I read my paragraph that pops up with that. Then I go to Prague, which is in the Czech Republic. I can read my paragraph, it'll zoom in, tell you all about the bridge. You do that for all 5 bridges. When you're done, you hit the record button again. That will bring up a new menu where you have a save icon like that little disc. You're going to hit save, and it will come over here and look like this little video camera icon. This is going to be where you have to save your file to turn it in. So once you have your little video icon over here, you're going to right click, Save Place As. I choose my desktop because I don't need it for that long. And the Save As type is KMZ. That is the only file type that your assignment is going to accept. So you're going to hit Save. When I get out of Google Earth, there is my KMZ file, and it looks like a Google Earth icon. This is the file that you're going to turn into Canvas. This is the only file type that Canvas will accept for this assignment. If your microphone doesn't work on your computer, don't worry about it. As long as you're still reading your paragraphs out loud, they will show up on the screen long enough for me to be able to read it to get a grade for you. If you have any questions, please let me know.